Good day guys. In this video, I want to show you how to boost or increase your mining rate in Rubi mining app. So let me open the Rubi mining app. Click on it. Yes, you can see my Rubi mining app, and currently I have 2,598 rubies, and I started mining not long ago. How was I able to achieve this much within limited time? So I will show you two ways to increase your mining rates or boost your mining rates. Now let me show you something. If I come to this very icon that look like statistics, if I click on it, and here the first way is you can see my group. This refers to the number of people I've referred to this mining app. I have referred about 1,000 people to this app. About 1,000 people have used my referral code to register, and out of this 1,000, about 194 are mining currently. So the more people use your referral code to register, the more your mining rates. So that's the first way. Now the second way I want to show you, come to this statistics, click on it. Yes, when it's open, you can see something here. You can see self-exploiting, group, and trust circle. Now the first one, which is self-exploiting, this refers to the quantity of rubies I mine just by clicking on mining, and you can see I've only mined 108 rubies. However, those that I accrued from referral, you can see 2,488, which means the people that use my referral code are the one that have helped me to get this much. So which means if you want to boost or increase your mining rates, invite or refer people. So the more people use your referral code, the more your mining rate. And the third way is this trust circle, which I'm not using effectively right now. The trust circle refers to inviting people to your trust circle. So how do you do that? You can see that currently I have only 1.55 ruby from this trust circle. So how do you invite people to your trust circle? To do that, let's go back a bit. So come to this group, click on group, then here come to trust circle. You can see that we have about 5 different trust circle. So what you need to do is to invite people into your trust circle. By inviting people into the trust circle, you increase your mining rate. To do that, scroll down and add member. You can see add member. If I click on it, it will open the list of people in my group. So I can choose to add this person. So if I click on here to check it and click on add, an invitation to trust circle will be sent to that person. However, the person must accept the invitation before he can be added to my trust circle, and it lasted for about 2 hours before the invitation expire. So I can click on this one also and select another member and then click on add. So an invitation to trust circle has been sent successfully to that person again. So I'll add as many people to my trust circle. Yes, if I now scroll up, you can see that I've invited about 4 people to my trust circle. So the more people you invited to your trust circle, the more your mining rates. So guys, this is how to increase your mining rates in Rubi mining app. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Thank you for watching.